Ever pondered the fate of a star at the end of its life cycle? Picture this: a celestial body once vibrant and full of energy, now approaching the end of its time. As it breathes its last, it doesn't just fade away, oh no. It goes out with a bang, leaving behind a cosmic spectacle of epic proportions. A pulsar, a fast-spinning neutron star, is born. Now imagine this pulsar, this tiny yet dense remnant of a once mighty star, emitting a burst of energy so powerful, it exceeds our wildest scientific predictions. In fact, this energy blast is equivalent to about 10 trillion times the energy of visible light. Let that sink in for a moment. 10 trillion times. This is what some intrepid scientists recently discovered, making it the most high-energy burst of its kind ever seen. This pulsar, known as the Vela Pulsar, is a rapidly rotating neutron star with a magnetic field that would put Earth's to shame. It emits gamma rays with energies exceeding 20 trillion electron volts. That's 20 times higher than any other pulsar ever observed. But what does this mean? Well, it means that our understanding of these celestial powerhouses needs a shakeup. Existing models struggle to explain such high-energy emissions. The acceleration of electrons and the source of their energy remain unanswered questions. These pulsars, it seems, keep their secrets well. This discovery is not just about rewriting textbooks, though. It's about peering into the heart of the universe and understanding the extraordinary processes that shape it. It's about unlocking the mysteries of these natural accelerators, these cosmic lighthouses that continue to baffle and amaze us. In conclusion, pulsars born from the death throes of stars are celestial phenomena of immense power and mystery. Their energy blasts, as recently discovered, can be 10 trillion times the energy of visible light. These blasts challenge our understanding of pulsars, and require us to rethink how these cosmic accelerators work. But one thing is certain: the universe is full of surprises, and there's always more to discover. So, the next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember the pulsars. Remember the Vela Pulsar and its mind-boggling energy blast. Remember that there's a universe out there, full of wonder and mystery waiting to be explored. Remember that every star has a story, and some stories are just beginning to unfold.